Not today, old iron. Just a bit further. Whew. Duty calls, and I'm already late. Morning, Daisy. I need the best for the guest. Perfect. Pure liquid gold. Step by step. Don't spill a drop. Almost home. The timing is just right. Goat? Change of plans. Come over for a drink. He's on his way. Time to get busy. Woohoo! I'm coming, buddy. Nothing beats the wind in my ears. To friendship and fine milk. Cheers to that. Just a few more stitches. Steady now. Done. It's a perfect match. Say tuna, little one. Best day ever.